This is the Hydra from Heretic Knives. The Hydra is a powerful single-action OTF automatic knife built with a unique swiveling button safety for worry-free pocket carry. The blade is made of ELMAX steel and is 3.625 inches long. The thick, centered blade has very little play and can be secured back into the handle by pressing the button and pulling the lanyard on the charging handle all the way down. Push it back up and you're in business. The handle itself has an unconventional shape, facilitating several comfortable grip orientations. Made of copper and black aluminum with the purpose-placed jimping and a ball-bearing pocket clip for secure right side carry. This Hydra proves that the double-action OTFs are cool, but the raw power of well-built single-action OTF is simply thrill-inducing. You can pick yours up at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the Hydra? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more knife overviews like this. And you can sign up for our newsletter down below.